Here's the latest from the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre over in Perth on Cyclone Claudia, currently Category 2, lies over open waters northwest of the Kimberley and will continue to moving west-southwest. Warning zone, Mitchell Plateau to Beagle Bay. Category 2 sustained winds in the centre, 95 km per hour with wind gusts to 130 km per hour, located within 55 km of 14 degrees south, 123.6 degrees east. It's estimated to be 195 km north-northwest of Kui Bay and 330 km west of Canberra. Tropical Cyclone Claudia, a Category 1 on the Sanford-Simpson-Huygens scale, is tracking west-southwest at 26 km an hour, and it lies to the north of Kui Bay, and as mentioned has intensified into a Category 2 system. The cyclone is expected to slowly intensify over the next 24 hours and could reach Category 3 intensity sometime Monday. The cyclone will continue to track west-southwest over coming days and remaining over open waters well north of the Pilbara early next week. Gales will gust to 100 km per hour may develop in coastal parts between the Mitchell Plateau and Kui Bay today. The potential for gales to then extend to Beagle Bay during tonight. Gales are not expected to extend inland and no risk at Derby. Heavy rainfall also possible around the North Kimberley and the northwest Kimberley coast during today. Now with Tropical Cyclone Claudia on the radar, here's a look at the Tropical Cyclone Formation Probability Guide. The Joy Typhoon Warning Centre has updated their position, although they only do it 6 hourly. They have a 242 nautical miles north-northeast of Broome, tracking west-southwest 17 knots. Animated multispectral satellite imagery shows that deep convection continues to wrap tightly around the low-level circulation centre. The initial position is placed with good confidence and based on a microwave image which shows a formative microwave eye. The initial intensity of 50 knots is hedged slightly above the BOM WA current intensity. Tropical Cyclone 07S is experiencing neutral vertical wind shear near 20 knots. There's a robust equatorial outflow channel but limited poleward outflow. Sea surface temperatures favourable for development, greater than 30 degrees Celsius, and is tracking south-westward while position on the northwestern periphery of the subtropical ridge, which remains located over central Australia. The steering ridge will be the primary steering feature throughout the forecast period, and as the cyclone tracks southwest, it will continue to encounter sea surface temperatures near 30 degrees Celsius through the next 36 hours, which will contribute to steady intensification. However, beyond the 36-hour mark, sea surface temperatures along the track will cool and allow for a steady weakening. Dynamic model guidance remains in good agreement. However, the model spread has slightly increased over the last 6 hours and the spread is now 112 nautical miles by 48 hours, 230 nautical miles by 120 hours. However, there's still high confidence in the JTWC's forecast track. Wave height is 17 feet. Here's an updated position on Claudia, 14 south, 123.3 degrees Cs, 50 knots, maximum central pressure 989 millibars. Now we have a look at various tracks. BOM Meteorology, tropical cyclone, 3-day outlook for the Coral Sea. Whilst there are no significant tropical lows in the region, none expected to develop during the next 3 days. The monsoon trough forecast to become more active this week, with a weak low pressure system potentially forming in the northern Coral Sea on Tuesday. Whilst percentages remain very low, we now have a tropical signal on the radar, Inves 93P. The GFS, accumulated precipitation outlook, information's at the bottom of the screen. Now we have a look at storm probabilities from 1300 hours through to afternoon. Apology for that. Quite a bit of information. We have tropical cyclone Claudia heading most likely for category 3 status. We've got Inves 93P that came on the radar, and within 6 hours we should have some satellite imagery and precipitation. Each of these images are 3 hourly. Information at the bottom and top of the screen. And my location had 50 millimeters of rain in about 4 hours last night. And the Bureau didn't issue a severe thunderstorm warning. Had lightning and rain. Bureau's total forecast of rain and area in green to dark green. And much needed rain. And a tropical system developing Vanuatu region. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.